Yeah, hi. We are from SVSEMBEDDED. The project title name is OTP-Based Electronic Protection System for Exam Paper Leakage using RFID and GSM module. So here we are using EM18 RFID module with two RFID cards. One is authorized card, another one is wrong card. Let us coming into the block diagram. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it gives to 5 volts power supply connected to the Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 development board and GSM SIM 800C for SMS alert, OTP generation as well as SMS alert, EM18 RFID module. So it is RFID reader module. So one alarm and one 4x3 telephone keypad, 16x2 LCD display, RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7 and keypad connected to the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pin numbers. HG90 servo motor means box open type servo motor, one red LED and one green LED indicators. So we will get the SMS alerts, card blocked, OTP successful, exam paper open, like that. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using and connected to the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED, and we are giving external SIM adapter. So here we are using GSM SIM 800C module and a SIM card. Okay, so here you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. So GSM SIM 800C module, cut should be always outside. Press it, it will come outside. Okay, press it, it will go inside. And Raspberry Pi Pico board, 16x2 LCD display and SG90 servo motor, 16x2 LCD display and one EM18 RFID module and one red LED, green LED indicator and 16x2 LCD display. So exam paper leakage, green LED on. So you need to show first wrong card, alarm on. Okay, red LED on. So authorized card, RFID card access, green LED on. OTP sent to register mobile number. The mobile number is register mobile number is here. Okay, we will get the SMS alert. OTP is 9846. Okay, so you need to enter 9846. Okay, password is correct, door open, successfully opened, and return it will come back SMS sent. We will get SMS alert. Okay, we will get one SMS alert here. Yeah, exam paper box opened successfully. Okay, so now I'm going for the second paper. Okay, so first maths paper, science paper, social paper, like that. OTP sent to register mobile number, green LED on. Okay, so OTP is 7538, but now I am going to enter wrong password, like 1569. Wrong password, alarm on, exam paper alert, somebody is trying to open the locker. Now it will send the attempt. See, somebody is doing alert exam paper box attempt. Okay, so now it is asking the password. You can enter 3 times wrong password. Okay, 6935, 6935, alarm on, and it is saying that sending SMS alert, second time completed. If you press third time, total system will be blocked. Alert exam paper attempt. Okay, so we will go for 3692. Wrong password, 3 times successfully wrong password entered. So it will tell you that, so total 3 times wrong password, system will block. Somebody doing wrong password. Okay, alarm on, red LED continues on. So 1 2 3, please place the RFID card. Now I am placing the RFID card. but it will tell you that up to 24 hours card should be blocked. Okay, card okay, but system is blocked for 24 hours. Red LED on. Now I am showing the card. So RFID card access, card blocked for 24 hours. Power supply board, GSM SIM 800C, alarm, red LED and green LED indicators, red LED, green LED indicators, EM18 RFID model, 4x3 keypad and SG90 servo motor. Now I am going to press reset button to restart the system. Electronics, protection, exam paper leakage, RFID and GSM technology. Place the RFID card. Now I am going to show the RFID wrong card, wrong RFID card. Okay, that is completed task. Okay, there is no SMS alert. So now RFID access come. Okay, sending SMS, OTP sent to register mobile number. Only 4 papers, 4 individual passwords. OTP sent to register mobile number 989846. Password correct. Door opening. Box door open. Okay, successfully opened the box. Okay, and reverse came. Okay, sending SMS alert. Now I am going to place the RFID card. RFID card access, green LED on, OTP sent to register mobile number. Okay, 7538 second paper open. Okay, opened successfully. Password correct successfully, and servo motor also come back, open, close. Okay, second one also successfully completed, second paper, and I am going for the third paper. Okay, RFID card access, green LED on. Okay, so OTP sent to register mobile number 1267. If I am going wrong password, 263, wrong password. Sending SMS alert. Okay, 1267. Okay, 1267. Password correct. Servo motor door open. Exam paper okay. Servo motor back came. Exam paper successfully open the exam paper. Okay, place the RFID card. Okay, now last paper. So there is only 4 papers, 4 individual OTPs. OTP sent to register mobile number. Okay, 4582. 4582. Password correct. Okay, open. Okay, sending SMS alert, and this is our total block diagram of the project. This is our hardware kit of the project. Exam paper accessing successfully. Thank you.